Hello and welcome back to WoodenRailwayStudio. Today's video features me unboxing these two very similar looking Thomas Wooden Railway destinations. I'll talk about each of them before I open them, and then I'll unbox them and show you what they look like out of their package. So first, we've got the popcorn factory. I'll go through this one first. So you see inside it has little popcorn pieces. They're just plastic. It's not real popcorn. That'd be kind of gross if it was real. Just think in 20 years with real popcorn inside. Ugh, that wouldn't have been good. Then they give me a Sodor popcorn factory car with a little yellow, I guess that's popcorn inside, fake plastic popcorn. Then they have a little wood track to connect to the side of this. So it's called the Popcorn Factory. Here it is on the back. All aboard to the Popcorn Factory. Place the removable cargo on the conveyor belt. Turn the drum and watch the popcorn pop as the popcorn cargo comes out the other side. Place in the cargo car for a special delivery. See the kids having fun with Thomas, who's not included. But the car is included in this. And now, let me open this up. This was already damaged, so it should be somewhat easy. Let's get this side out here first. You have to get some scissors. Okay, here we go. On the bottom over here. Oh, I see. I'm trying to get the car out in this scene because I'll have to get a screwdriver, and I'll show you why. But here is the Sodor Popcorn Factory car. It says the popcorn car on the bottom. Rounded edges. I mean, it's a nice one. Plain, simple, but nice. Then we also have the little popcorn piece that you put inside. Goes right like that. And also we have a little wooden track with a little peg on the side to stick probably right here. Maybe. I don't know, I'll have to see. I'll figure it out. On the bottom of this, we need some screws, so I'll be back. And using a lot of effort and industrial-sized scissors, I finally opened the Sodor popcorn machine. So over here, let's see, is this it? I mean, right here you can just turn it around. See the popcorn go around. And on the bottom, the little conveyor belts spin as well. You can see the kid pretends that the popcorn falls into the belt, and the belt takes it over here. We can put the track right there. They come over, and they pick it up. So that's very nice. So now, let's go over to the wood chipper. Let's go over the packaging first before I take it out. This is the wood chipper. I actually got it at Marshall's on a very good discount since someone stole the cargo car and the wood. Kind of cheap. You know? Why you would steal a cargo car? They're so easy to find, but people are crazy. So here's the back of the box. Deliver the logs to the Sodor Lumber Company. Turn the drum. The logs travel through the chipper and get chopped into sawdust, which tumbles around inside the clear drum. So, let me try to... I meant industrial size scissors. Oh, that wasn't good. Let's see. Here we go. So I finally got the wood chipper open. Too bad it doesn't come like the popcorn stand with the special track and the car, but it's really what that matters the most. I can get the car online, or really it was just a regular cargo car with a special piece of wood inside, and I can use the sawmill log pieces if I want in a so as you see here, the thing spins. You can see inside the wood. Spins around. Then in the reel, actually I forgot to let you know, on the popcorn stand, you take out the popcorn, you put it in this area right here. Then somehow it's supposed to fall down onto the bottom layer, and then this goes down, and then the train somehow picks it up. That's how it's supposed to work, and that's what would work here if I had the wood for the sawmill for the lumber, for this what was it called, the wood chipper. That's it. Almost forgot. So, thank you for viewing my video. I hope you liked it, because these are two, like I said, they're similar looking, but they're totally different in what they actually do. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and share my videos on any social media outlet you belong to. Thank you, and see you next time.